Fujian New Yinjia Pump Company Limited, established in 2015. Headquartered in China famous electric motor manufacturing city, Fujian. The company has been committed to technical researches, manufacturing and distributing various of pumps, motors and water treatment system solutions for the world. The company has 5 standardized workshops, 6 auto-producing lines and more than 100 sets advanced CNC machining, covering an area of 66,000 square meters, with 200 employees, are capable of producing 1 members. Yinjia people will adhere to the enterprise spirit of integrity, innovation, beyond, for achieving the brand developing strategy of cultural cohesion brand, effective develop brand, science and technology improve brand, and win-win sharing brand. Welcome all customers and friends visit us. Hope we can have a pleasant cooperation.